Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Kazem, and in this video I'm planning to teach you how to use a translation engine, especially the AI engine in our app. This video is especially created just for translation engine. So in order to that I use the desktop version of IReader, which is available in the GitHub. I will go to the more screen, and in the setting tab, in the translation setting. In this thing, we have multiple translation engine. You need to choose one of them. The default version is for the mm, it's for Android version, okay? And every Android has something called Google ML, machine learning engine, which can translate you. It will download something from the internet and use that to translate your text. In Android, you will see something like the source language and the target language, and there is something called initialize. When you tap on initialize, they will show you a notification where it will download your your I'm not sure what is it, a package which helps you translate offline. So there is no need to do that. For Gemini, you need to go to your site and get you the token from there. So let me go and help you get the tokens for Gemini. For Gemini, in order to get your tokens, you need to go to aistudio.google.com/app/API keys. You can just copy paste this one and open this website. Then you need to create another key for yourself. Let me just minimize the website so you can see it. I will tap on create API key and type my name of the key, and just you can choose another project. If you don't have Unity, create a project. I will create another project, Gemini project 2, and just create it. Let's wait. And after you create your project, let's wait for a moment. It will open, and just you choose this project and create key. After that, you will get a key which you can set for. Just click on this, you'll copy your text, your API key. Let me copy it, and I copy it. So let's go to Gemini. Let me just copy paste over here and tap on test. Let's wait. It seems even no API, no, okay. You need to refresh your A model so that by this API you'll get your model available for you. I will choose the first one, Gemini 2.7, 2.5 Flash. Let me test it. And as you see, there is, as you see, there is a OK button. Okay, so I tap on refresh and then OK. And no need for this one. It will automatically choose this one as for you. You can just also select it from here. And that's it for Gemini. For OpenRouter, you need to go to OpenRouter site. Let me just navigate to it. OpenRouter AI. Let me just open this for you. Let me search in the taking too long. Let me just go write it myself. Open router.ai. You need to get your key. I will just get the API key. I need to log in it. Let me log in for you and we'll see that. Let me just tap on login. I will choose my email and just log in over here. Let's wait for a moment. And let's wait. Let me verify I'm a human. I will tap on continue. So I need to create a key. I will create a key. Where you find on YouTube, for example, submit, and then you can create your key. I will choose, for example, no matter, you can choose any name you want, and on left other just by default, and just tap click. I will copy this one and I will paste it over here and then refresh the models available. So you need to choose a model which has free after it. I decided to choose Google. Sorry, you can use, for example, OpenAI OSS free. Let me just search for it. OpenAI OSS GPT OSS. Let me just search for it. Okay, there is two options. One, you can just 120 model or 20 model. The more it is, the smarter the model is, but the less it's not fast enough. I decided to choose 20 billion model, which is free, and that's for OpenRouter. For NVIDIA, you need to go to this website. I don't have any site for it. I need to search for NVIDIA name. Let me just again search for NVIDIA name API key. Mm, Let me just go try NVIDIA name APIs. And you need to log in over here. Let me log in for you. Mm, for the NVIDIA name, I don't remember the password and I don't want to log in for now. Let me just, what other login option we have? Okay, we have, can you log in with Google? Let me log in it. No, it seems that something is wrong with this NVIDIA option. It's same as other ones. You can just easily create your API keys, but for NVIDIA, you need to have your I think I don't sure I think your credit card. No, just your you need your phone number verification for that. And for Olama translation, it's super easy. Let me help you to set it up. You need to go to Olama. You need to download this one. Okay, let me go for it. Let me help you. You need to go there and then just install it. Where is the install option? Download. You can download for Windows and it will install it, help you easily. After that, you need to open the Olama app, which is like this. Okay, I like to use the uh, what is the UI of but after you install, you need to choose the model you want. Okay, for example, and you need to download it. For example, I download some of the models, which is GPT OSS 20 or 100. It's completely free. When you download this model, it's fully free and you can easily use it wherever you want. There's no limitation using it. Okay, so you need to download this, and I will close it. After you download this, you need to open a terminal. Okay, I like to do this. You can just do the same as same thing with the what I can do. Let me you can with the UI one. Okay, but I like this more. I will just tap Olama serve. Okay, it will give you an IP address. So let me close that one. I will close the Olama in the my PC and again. Okay, I will run it in terminal. It's super easy, so we can understand if it's working or not. As you see, it's working fine in port 11434. Okay, and I will tap refresh. And as you see, we have the model available over here. So we have these models we can use for our app. I will use the cloud version. It is faster for now, but it has limitation. We just be careful. And that's it. But if you're using mobile and you want to connect the both of them, you need to follow some stuff. First, you need to understand what is your you need to connect to same Wi-Fi. Okay, you need to connect to same Wi-Fi and then set the IP address of your PC over here. Okay, let me help you. What should you do? First, you need to open the terminal. Okay, you need to type ip config, and then let me just enter. I was afraid that maybe some information was maybe my for my personal secret was maybe leaked, so I decided to pause the video. As you see, we have IP which are address. You need to copy this address over here, and then just copy it and just paste it over here. Okay, and then press save. That completely easily. So you can use it in your mobile phone. This is not needed for the PC version, just the mobile phone. You need to connect it to the PC version. And after you just connect it, you will see the logged option. Okay, logged option over here. No, this is not. This is for reader. Let me log option in here. Okay. So as you see, if I refresh my model in my mobile, and when I just change this IP address, I will see this request over here. If I don't see this one, which means that we are not connected to the models at all. So there's something is wrong. If you don't have this option, you also have Hugging Face, which is you can get the free tokens from the Hugging Face setting. Just open your token and you cannot set your tokens over here. But I like to use OpenRouter and Olama more. And Gemini is not bad at it, so it's super fast, but it has limited token usage during each day. And that's it. Also, if you don't see this engine model, you can install them from the community. You can go to the feature store and you can just download the engines from over here. Let me just load them. Let's wait. And after that, you need to search for engines. Let me search for them. Let me search engine. No, we don't see translation. We have DeepSeek. I haven't tested this one because I don't have API key. If you have, you can send your paid API key and I will test it for you. We also have Hawking Face Translation, which is a plugin. Lyra Translation, which I think is connected to Lyra Translate. Olama, which we have used right here. Also Open AI Translation, which is for ChatGPT. And you can install it easily whatever engine you want. And for usage, it's somewhat different in the PC. I also have created an option for you if you want. It's fully experimental. I haven't tested it a lot, but you need to be very careful. Auto translate novel name and auto translate description. Okay, let me set my engine to open router. Let me just use it. So I'm going to go to the novel. Let me just open a new one. Let's wait. I will choose, for example, this one. Let's wait to it load. And as you see, I will choose a chapter one. Let me just sorry for the color. I'm just testing some feature. So in order to use this, as I'm using the desktop, we don't have a notification where what is the progress, but I will wait. You need to wait very long time because it's AI and it takes super long time to translate for you. And after that, you just need to hit translate. Let me translate, and you need to wait until this thing finished. It takes a lot of time, and as you see, our text was translated to Persian, which I choose for that. And even though I'm Persian, it's super good translation. It's not bad, but somehow something was stopping for me to send the request. I'm not sure, but probably some of the app I'm currently using during this recording, so you need to try out some models, some your connection, and it will certainly work, okay, but it may fail during this time. And also, if you have set up your translate engine, you can also use this generate chapter art. You can just choose something. For example, I want to create a prompt for this according to this chapter. It will use your current model. I think it's using the Gemini model. I will copy it, and based on this prompt, you can create art yourself. For example, I'm going to use copy paste over here, and then send this, for example, background. I'm not sure what was the model is. Let me generate it. Let's wait. And sender is failing. Not sure. Probably something with the model. Setting is broken. It's not working. All my so that's no problem. You can. I will test it later. So that's it for the translating stuff. Also, you can use master translation. You can just select all the chapter you want and just press this option. It and that is translate automatically other chapter you want. And that's for the translation. There is nothing more. And hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Happy good time. Happy reading.